My young love came to me last night at the fair, and fondly I watched her move here and move there, and then she walked homeward with one star awake, as the swan in the evening moved over the lake. My young love said to me, my mother won't mind, and my father won't slight you for your lack of kind. And she stepped away from me with one thought in mind, as the sun in the evening moved over the fair. Last night she came to me, my love, she came in. Her feet moved so softly, she made no din. Then she laid her hand on me, and this she did say, oh, it will not be long, love, till our wedding day. And she laid her hand on me, and this she did say, oh, it will not be long, love, till our wedding day. Cranes swing around in the morning rain. This old town of mine will never be the same. Sounds of resurrection, scaffolding grows high, rising like a phoenix from the ashes of the fire. Poverty grew up with us, it hung upon the air, in little terraced houses built by cotton everywhere. But every neighbor was a friend who made life all worthwhile, cheering up with cups of tea and hope with every smile. Cranes swing around in the morning rain. This old town of mine will never be the same. Sounds of resurrection, scaffolding grows high, rising like a phoenix from the ashes of the fire. Wars have been but gone now this 30 years or more, clearing some old houses but leaving plenty more. Now they don't rely on bombs to finish off the last. They've sent a demolition in to clear away our past. Cranes swing around in the morning rain. This old town of mine will never be the same. Sounds of resurrection, scaffolding grows high, rising like a phoenix from the ashes of the fire. Peace is now upon us, a new triumphant land, with concrete flats and tower blocks and everything to hand. But people now are lonely and they miss a friendly chat. You just can't talk forever to the budgie and the cat. Cranes swing around in the morning rain. This old town of mine will never be the same. Sounds of resurrection, scaffolding grows high, rising like a phoenix from the ashes of the fire.